Hey guys, Katie Leverett here with Saturday Tips and Tips, and I'm going to be answering a question that I have gotten from quite a few of you guys: what to do with your kiddos when you are having a party. We all love our babies; they're so sweet, and I love having mine around. There is no doubt about it. But also, as you're probably aware, if you are a mama, you get mama, 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 what about this? We come do this, we come do that during the whole party. And it makes it tough for you to be able to visit with your friends and family that have come over. So if you have family close by and you feel comfortable, definitely send that kid to grandma's house, because guess what? They're going to have a lot more fun over at grandma's than hanging out at the house with a bunch of adults. If that is not an option, a secondary option that I like to do is hire a mother's helper. So this might be somebody in your neighborhood or at church, or maybe somebody's daughter or son who are maybe not quite old enough to babysit yet, but they're interested in becoming babysitters one day. They charge a lesser rate than a real babysitter, and you're going to be home. So designate a kid-friendly space, whether it's in a playroom, in a basement, or even converting one of the kids' rooms into like a fun kids area. If you don't have that option, another thing that I like to do is prep up baskets for the kids. I actually do this when I have the mother's helper come as well. So number one thing, if your kid is anything like mine, we are into snacks. We love snacks. We want snacks all the time. And so have a little basket full of snacks. Make sure, if you do have a mother's helper, to let them know, you know, the volume of snacks. And in the event it's just your kids kind of upstairs in the room keeping themselves busy, make sure that it isn't like binge-worthy snacks. I know if I left my kid alone with an entire box of organic fruit strips, this thing would be gone in like 30 seconds. So pack a bag of snacks. And also, secondly, get a tub of some fun activities for them to do together. What I like to do is make sure that these are either new or items that I put up where they're not playing with them every day. So it's all kind of fresh and exciting and new, and they aren't bored with the same old toy. So in here I have a card game, I have some fun little activity books, crayons, type of activities, and even you can save stuff out of Happy Meals or Chick-fil-A meals or whatever it is, where it's like craft stuff. Have some Legos, these are always a hit, and maybe even some puzzles as well. Just something to kind of keep them busy. Also, if you have a TV in the room the kids are in, rent a movie for them, something that they want to watch. Maybe it's something they haven't seen before, so it'll really keep their attention span. I think that those are all some really good tips that I hope you will use when hosting your next party.